Welcome to the software engineering interview. This is a live coding session. We have a microservice chat application consisting of a front end, back end, and a database, and we need to run them all in the exact same time. How do you achieve that? The solution is actually super simple. I'll use Docker Compose to spin up the entire application with one single command. Alright, where do we start? So as you can see here, we have our full application. We have a backend and a front end. Of course, both of them are Dockerized. You can see the Docker file for the backend and the Docker file for the front end. I will start by creating a Docker compose.yaml file in the root folder. Inside, I define our services. Let's start with the database. What goes into the database service? Postgres Docker image with PG vector, map to port 5432, and then we set the environment variables, and most importantly, add a health check. Why do we need a health check? Health check tells the system exactly when it's safe to proceed. Makes sense. What's next? Then we have the backend. I tell Compose to build it from our backend folder, expose it to port 8000, and pass in the database URL. How does it know to wait for the database? I use the depends on keyword, as you can see here. I tell the backend, do not start until Postgres container is officially marked as service healthy. Smooth. What about the front end? It's the same logic. I build it for the front end folder, map to port 3000, and tell it to depend on the backend being ready. How do you actually run it? Docker compose up. So here is our backend, and here is our front end. Let's try it out. There you go, everything is up and running. And that's literally it.